Welcome. Today I will going to show you how you will going to navigate the DDU Eshe portal. So you will going to put the URL right here. You can use any browser, whether it is Chrome or Mozilla or other browsers. So courses.ddu.edu.et. So you will going to press enter. Since you are a student, so you will going to view this portal as a student. So right here you will going to get the course options that you will going to enroll and take. So right here are the course. For example, here are the course. So I will show you how you will going to navigate all the course contents right here. So this object-oriented programming course, go to course. So here are the sections. We do have section right here. We do have another section, another chapter right here, and we do have subsections right here. Then after we're going to have units. So before the course begins, you are going to see this subsection, and we do have such units right here. We do have discussion guidelines, the guideline that will use the discussion forum. Right here, it will going to introduce lecturers who are going to give you this course, and we do have a welcome speech right here, and we do have course information and support right here. You will going to get the course syllabus and schedule, and course navigation, how you are going to navigate the course. Academic integrity, what sort of academic integrity that you should have to follow up so as to take such course will going to be shown right here. So the other content outline, then you're going to dive into the actual content right here after taking such sections and taking such units. For example, in course readiness subsection, I do have course readiness quiz, so you are going to take these quiz so as to know whether you are able to take the rest chapter, since we have taught you 3 chapters with face-to-face education. So you will going to take some quizzes right here. So you are going to interact with the questions. So this is the course readiness quiz. So you are going to take this quiz so as to take the rest chapters. So we're going to come back to the course content. We do have chapter 4. We do have subsections, chapter overview. So we're going to expand this one, and we do have certain units right here. So we're going to press next. Chapter objective. After taking this course, you will going to able to know such objectives, and you will going to achieve that one. Definition of inheritance. So you will going to view this course as such. The last chapter is chapter 5 for this online version. So you are going to interact with the welcome page, introduction to polymorphism, types of polymorphism. Each subsection will going to have their own titles, and finally we're going to have a chapter summary, and in chapter summary we will have quizzes. You will going to take this quiz, and you will going to interact with the chapter summary, right? This one. So this is all about how you're going to navigate the. Right here we don't have discussion. So if there is anything which is posts to discuss, so you are going to interact, and you are going to post your own ideas regarding to the posts. For example, we don't have any post right here. We can add a post. If you don't have a question, we can add a question right here, and you are going to write the question right here, and the others will going to interact with your post. So this is all about how you are going to interact with the Eshe portal. So thanks for your attention. Have a nice day.